Now, when I say 1950 style alien invasion, what do you think of? There's Earth versus the flying saucers. It came from space. It conquered the world. Them, so many others too. But here's an interesting one that's called Kronos, actually. This is for one that is starring Jeff Morrow, Barbara Lawrence, John Emery, Morris Ancrum, George O'Hanlon, Robert Shane. Produced and directed by Kurt Newman. Screenplay by Lewis Goldman, based on the story by Irving Black. Special effects by Jack Robin Irving, blah blah blah. Scientists at a top secret atomic research laboratory are taken over by a strange, fantastic control devices launched from an orbiting spaceship inhabited by a hostile superintelligence from beyond the stars. Simultaneously, a gigantic flying saucer crashes in the Gulf of Mexico in Kronos. A giant metallic monolith monster emerges. Unstoppable, it slashes across the countryside, draining the Earth of all its electrical energy and beaming into space. Kronos, a weapon so perfect in design it absorbs a direct hit by a hydrogen bomb, becomes that much more powerful. Atomic age excitement, atomic age thrills, all on this out of this world regal scope format for the first time on DVD. Wade Williams, whoever that is, originally restored, and yeah, this is a what's at first seems like it's a straightforward sci-fi movie. And no, it's in black and white. Or was it in color? Anyway, yeah, it's actually in color. This is actually a really good movie. However, the one thing that I don't like, this was letterboxed to death. And I can forgive there's subtitles, no subtitles, but it didn't stop me from enjoying it. I mean, there was nice freaking special effects, nice trippy overlays, and it's like, here, we have some water going on. It's like, okay, let's have the monolith itself also appear on it. And also think that maybe this could be a Russian device that was sent over. So there's definitely some Cold War tension going on, which gives the story more notoriety than just aliens coming from out of nowhere or of the space age. I mean, yes, this is a space age movie. There's no repudiating that. But at the same time, what adds more into it is just how smart it is of just like the weapons and how it can ruin mankind and stuff like that. And the visuals here are beautiful. I mean, it's in color, which is really dang nice, and you can tell right here the best with the lighting than I can. This thing is freaking massive. I don't know, one of the tallest creatures. And in the last 10 minutes, it's worth the wait. I can guarantee you that. When you just see how it's ravaging everything, and the music is of the standard time, you know, with the bass and orchestra and everything. But yeah, this is definitely a how would Wikipedia describe it? As a minor cult classic, as compared to what, a major cult classic? Yeah. Oh wait, I'm sorry. This is in black and white. So yeah, you know what? If I can find a Blu-ray of this, I will rewatch it and I will re-review it. So yeah. If you want to see a more intelligent sci-fi movie, that's a special letterbox edition. Then again, this is free from the library, so yeah. If you want to see something that's really cool, I recommend that but you know it's it's got the 1950s style of filmmaking. Kronos, Ravager of Planets.